Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a really cute Raquel Welch wig called Pitch Perfect, and the color on Pitch Perfect is SS14/88, also known as Shadow Shades Golden Wheat. So side note, if you're a fan of Jon Renau's 12FS8 color and you're looking for something that's going to get you pretty close in the Raquel Welch line, this is it. And, vice versa, if you like this shade and you ever want to venture over to the Jon Renau side of things, 12FS8 is probably your color. They're not exactly the same. This one has less of a light brown at the nape, but they achieve very similar effects, and they definitely both have the dark roots. So, back to Pitch Perfect. I recently reviewed Innuendo by Gabor, and I actually think that this would be like that wig's big sister, Because like Innuendo is very sweet and innocent looking, but she has a very modest amount of hair, and she costs a little bit less than this one does. And this one gives you more hair for that additional money, and additionally gives you a lace front, which Innuendo does not have. Innuendo just has the full bang. So let's go ahead and just show you what Pitch Perfect looks like all the way around. I have not styled this wig, I have not combed this wig, I just put it on and pressed record. Now you may be seeing some flyaways. That's normal. Once you wash the wig, most of those will naturally settle into place. So similarly, if you have a problem like that with a wig at home and you've never actually tried washing it, perhaps that would be something to try. Or just dunking it in some cold water and putting it on a wig stand to dry overnight can often do the trick with taming a lot of the flyaways. And if any remain particularly pesky over a long enough period of time, you can just cut them off. Who cares? They're not really doing any favors if they're just going anyway. So as long as you're careful about it, it won't hurt the wig one bit. So I really like this wig. I think that it's really cute. I love this long, fringy, sort of swoopy thing on the side. I think that's fun. I think this wig has quite a bit of hair towards the front, which is very flattering, and the way that it's cut is also very flattering. It's got lots and lots of layering, so you could mess her up a little bit more and really play with her if you felt like it. Like I said, the style is very similar to Innuendo by Gabor, the bigger difference being that this one doesn't have the bang, it has a lace front, and it has more hair. So the front on this is 7 inches. The crown down, also 7 inches. The back is 4, and the crown down is 7. That's quite long. And the nape is 2.5. So that gives you pretty decent coverage there in the back. Let me go ahead and take Pitch Perfect off now so I can show you the cap construction, and then before we're done, I'll zoom in on that lace front for you. So the cap itself is machine made, so it's open on the top, open on the sides, and open on the back. She does have an extended felt nape with very fancy schmancy Velcro adjusters, which I appreciate. Very stretchy on the back and sides. I think that the Raquel caps tend to be a little bit roomier, especially these memory caps tend to be a little bit roomier than some of the Gabor caps. Lace front, you got a little band of felt right up against that lace for comfort, as well as felt basically here on the ear tabs as well. So very nice cap construction. Let me show you the top down of this wig. I really like this color. Very beautiful rooted blonde. Look at all that layering in the back there. That's very cool. Now I mentioned Innuendo a couple times. Innuendo has more layering back here, so that's one other difference. Nice fringy layering here on the sides. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you now. Mess her up a little bit for you, for your viewing pleasure. This one's so fun. All right, let me show you that lace front here. There you go. Now those are really dark knots, so if they were bad, you'd be able to tell right away. They'd be big and clunky, but they're not. These are very, very nicely tied knots. Very little. We like that. Adequately dense lace front as well. So I really like this one. I think this is a really nice wig. This is the Pitch Perfect little layered bob by Raquel Welch in the color SS1488, also known as Shadow Shades Golden Wheat. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Check out my store if you get a chance, and until next time, have a great night.